Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use KREA AI for AI-powered image and video generation. KREA AI is a powerful tool for real-time AI image and video generation. Whether you're artist, content creator, or designer, KREA AI allows you to generate, enhance, and animate images with AI-driven technology. So first, go to KREA AI and sign up or log in, then explore the dashboard to access the features like real-time AI image, generation, video creation, and enhancer. Enter a prompt, type a detailed description for AI image generation. You can also choose a style, select a different style like anime, futuristic, realistic, and more. Generate in real time, the KREA AI allows a live editing so you can tweak prompts dynamically. Download and save once satisfied. 2 is you can enhance and edit images. Use Enhancer to upscale and refine images, adjust the lighting, colors, sharpness, or polish look. Then, you can also convert the AI generated images into a motion videos by adding the dynamic effects, smooth transition, and real-time enhancement. Download the AI generated animation for social media or creative projects. The Flux enables a live AI image generation with instant prompt adjustment. Modify the elements in real time for dynamic and interactive creativity. Download your final images or videos with high resolution. Share your creations on social media, websites, or personal projects. And here's the pro tip for best result. Use a detailed prompt for high quality outputs, experiment with styles and effects for unique visuals, and enhance with refined KREA AI's upscaler and video tools. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.